Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome, Loyalty Squad. This is the Velvet Locks coming at you with another video for you today regarding weight loss. And this is one of my favorite smoothies. It's called the Flat Belly Smoothie. Alright, and this is what's going to help fill you up, get you ready, get those intestines going, get it to go and start moving. Okay, we're trying to move whatever stuff that's built up in there. We're trying to get rid of it fast. Okay, so we got to do that with the foods that we eat. So in this smoothie, I'm going to show you some of the ingredients you're going to need. You're going to need some almond milk. And this is my almond milk that I made the other day. Alright. The video link will be down in the description bar of how to make almond milk. So we're going to need almond milk. We're also going to need some bananas. Now I got my frozen bananas in my container, which is what I store for my smoothies. You're also going to need some Greek yogurt. Now this is plain Greek yogurt. It has no taste to it. Alright? Any type of plain yogurt. But I like Greek yogurt because it's healthier. You're also going to need some flax seeds. Some ground flax seeds. If you don't have the ground flax seeds and you just have the regular seeds, you can use that as well. So it's okay. You're going to need some honey. Natural raw honey is best. Organic honey, all of that is good. I don't have it, so I'm going to use what I got. You're also going to need some nutmeg. Okay? Wonderful herbal spice. Great benefits from your nutmeg. And lastly, you're going to need some coconut oil, you guys. Great benefits using coconut oil in your smoothies. Trying to tell you. So today I'm going to be working with my personal NutriBullet. So I'm hoping all of that will fit in here, but we shall see. Now to start off, we're going to need 2 full-size bananas. I'm telling you, this is a great way of storing your bananas. And it's so easy to take out of the container. Next, we're going to need 500 mLs of our coconut milk. Alright, so get your measuring cup out. Okay, I'm going to pop that in there. Okay, and now we're going to need 2 tablespoons of our yogurt. Two heaping tablespoons. Now we're going to need 2 teaspoons of coconut oil. Okay. And this is called Fruit of Life coconut oil, 100% pure. And that's what you're going to need, pure coconut oil. Now we're going to need 2 tablespoons of our flax seeds. And this is what's going to help us to move our bowels, all of this fiber. Now for the nutmeg, you're just going to need a dash. So you can put a couple of sprinkles of that in there just for flavor. And lastly, we're going to need some honey. And we're going to need 2 tablespoons of honey. Okay. Alright, so now I'm just going to pop my blender blades on and we're going to mix this up. Okay, time to start blending. And we're going to blend this until it's nice and smooth and creamy. Next, you're going to get your Big Mama or Big Papa mug. And there you go. A wonderful, delicious meal replacement that you can have for breakfast. You can have for lunch or dinner. Whichever time of the day you choose. But this is delicioso, you guys. There you go. Pop your stir in there. And there you have it. Let me try this. Very good. Okay, so there you have it, you guys. Your wonderful mornings or afternoon or evening flat belly smoothie. This is going to help to stir up what you got inside your intestines. It's going to get you going in the morning. You can blend this on the way out the door. Okay, and I also have another thing. You can also put it in these to-go mugs. This is a 30-ounce mug, all right? And you can put it in your mug and have it to go. Now, this mug is awesome. I'll have it down in the description bar. Comes in all sorts of colors. This is not a sponsored video. I just purchased this. It has a wonderful seal. It's airtight. If you can store these size smoothies in it, take it on the road to go, and it's awesome. It also comes with 2 straws. You have a straight straw as well as a curved metal straw. All right, it's airtight, and it also keeps your beverages really cold. So if you have icy beverages, this also keeps the ice for 24 hours. It holds the coldness for 24 hours. If it's a hot beverage, it will keep it for at least 6 hours. An awesome investment for your smoothies if you want to take them with you, okay? So yes, you guys, thank you again for joining me. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below. Look for all the links regarding the NutriBullet personal blender, the full-size blender, the metal straws, and also these wonderful to-go cups. They come in all sorts of beautiful colors, all sorts of different patterns, and it's a great investment for you while you are on your weight loss journey, and you can carry your drinks with you. It's air sealed tight, okay, so it will not spill, and it's a great investment, all right? And also, you guys, join me on my other channel called Velvet Vlogs, where you will get hair care, skincare videos, fashion hauls, and family vlogs. You'll get to meet my family and see how crazy we are behind the scenes, all right? And I thank you all. I love you, and I will see you in the next video. Welcome, YouTube family. This is the Velvet Locks introducing to you my new channel, and this channel is called Velvet Vlogs. On this channel, you will see hair videos, skincare videos, as well as family vlogs, okay? So check it out. Go down below, click those links, and subscribe, as well as turn on your notification bell. And I will see you there.